So hello friends, welcome back to another video, and in this video I am going to share TCS recent interview questions. So this interview was held on 30th May 2025 and the location is Bhubaneswar and the profile is digital and the approximate time for the interview is 40 minutes. This interview includes the technical round plus managerial round and HR round. Firstly, he shared TR and MR both were sitting together, and the first question for him is introduction, and the next question they asked him to define the linear regression, types of linear regression, and write down its formula because he had ML project in his resume. So that's why the interviewer asked about the linear regression and all. And then next question for him is about the projects. So explain your project in full details. And the next question is access modifier. So the next question is coding question related to the star pattern. So the candidate have to print the star pattern. So the pattern is this. Firstly, we have 5 stars. In the second row, we have 4 star. In the third row, we have 3 star. In the fourth row, we have 2 star. And in the last row, we have 1 star. So this is the star pattern. The candidate have to write the code. And the next question is hash map definition. And the next question is count occurrence of the element in array. This is the coding question and introduction, and then asked him regarding the leadership. What will you do if someone is not working in your team? And the next question asked him to describe AI and which AI tools would I recommend him to use and why. So recently in all the interviews that I shared in videos, in most of the interviews AI questions were asked. So prepare the questions on artificial intelligence also. And the 13th question, tell me something about yourself that separates you from others. And don't say adaptive or hardworking. Say any unique thing or an accomplishment of your life. So this is another question. So the last question, HR asked him some football related question because he had mentioned about the football in his introduction. So this is the interview experience of the digital profile. And if you are waiting for your interview, so you can take an idea how are the questions being asked in the TCS digital interview. So this is the TCS Bhubaneswar office interview experience. So if we analyze the pattern of the interview, so firstly they asked about the introduction, and then what you have told in your introduction, they asked the next question about from it, and then projects are also important and in full detail, and some pattern coding questions like star pattern questions and number pattern questions. These are also the most important questions, and prepare some DSA basic questions of array and string, and also prepare HR questions. They are also checking your leadership quality and how are you different from other people's. And there are also some questions like situation based questions, so you have to prepare that also. So as you can see that the question 11th is a situation based question, so you can prepare these questions and share this video to all the candidates who are waiting for their interview so that they can take an idea how are the questions being asked in the interview. And if you find this video helpful, make sure you like the video and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel for the latest updates and interview question updates. Thank you guys.